Hello friends. Today I will show you Apache is not start in Xampp server. I am solve this error. You can show the my Apache is not working. Click to config button and select first option Apache, httpd.conf. Add the value in listen 80 and listen 80. And change the server name localhost 8080. Then after file save and close file. Click config button and select second option. Enter value of listen 4433. Enter value of virtual host default 4433. Enter value server name www.example.com 4433. Then after file save and close file. I am start Apache. Click start button. Now my Apache port number and PID number is resolved. My Apache is working normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.